Hi, scholars. Happy Tuesday. I'm so excited to have live class with you tomorrow and hear about you guys' favorite books and hear all about when I was gone and your little mini project that you guys were working on. I cannot wait to hear you guys' favorite stories. But for today, what we're going to be thinking about and what we're diving into for our second quarter is nonfiction texts. And today I'm really excited because we're going to be talking about how to read fascinated. And this is a great way to let the text really stand out, focusing bit by bit as we're reading and forming questions as we read, and then thinking about ideas that are forming in our mind as we get those bits by bits. So what we're going to do today is we're going to choose to be fascinated in what we're reading, even if we're not crazy about it. We're going to let the text stand out bit by bit, and we're going to be thinking and making wonderings as we're reading the text as to what stands out to us. And so we're going to choose to read fascinated. So right over here, this is the book Mummies that hopefully you can see on your screen. And it's kind of gross. It has an icky picture. I'm going to go ahead and do a read aloud of how to read the book Fascinated. We have a nice table of content. Whoa, mummies. A farmer is working in swampy land. His shovel hits something hard. He uncovers a blackened body. Well, that's just something for that one farmer, but also, who cares? He's finding a body and that's gross. From what I just read, though, does it sound like I'm fascinated in the text? It doesn't, right? It doesn't whatsoever. I'm not choosing to be fascinated. When I'm thinking about choosing to be fascinated, the farmer found a dead body in his land. Like, what? That's not normal. My grandpa lives on a farm. He has never found a dead body, much less a mummy. Like, what? So I think I want to reread this again, and I want to think closely about how I'm reading the text. I'm choosing to be fascinated. Fascinated is like awe and in wonder. So I want to go ahead and do this one more time. Whoa, mummies! A farmer is working in a swampy land. His shovel hits something hard. He uncovers a blackened body. I'm shocked. I can imagine almost hearing the shovel hitting a body, and I just it's crazy. Look at this body over here. Can you see this? I'm gonna try and see if I can get the light to focus. What? Can you imagine how gross that is? What? And you're gonna see I was really fascinated when I was reading the text right over here. Whoa, mummies. You don't say, oh, well, mummies. What? No, you don't read like that. And so another thing I'm thinking about is thinking about phrases that's weird or why. And that's choosing to be fascinated in the way that you're thinking about what is to come. You're actively reading the text. So I'm going to go ahead and jump a little bit forward to looking at these pages 4 and 5. Let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit. Get it to focus. What I want you to think about for this is I want you to continue and think to yourself how you would read this next paragraph. How you would read it fascinated. Would it be, it has hair, teeth, even fingerprints. The farmer calls the police. It looks like the person died recently, but the body is over 2,000 years old. It's a mummy. Is that fascinated? No, give it some life, give it some spice. That's not it. It has hair, teeth, and even fingernails. The farmer calls the police. It looks like the person died recently, but the body is over 2,000 years old. It's a mummy. What? That is some shocking information. So when we're thinking and we're choosing to be powerful nonfiction readers, I really want us to think about how to be fascinated. Thinking about the tone in our heads as we're reading and how we're asking questions and making wonders um, as we're reading nonfiction. So today, scholars, what I want you to do is you're going to see that for our work for today, you're going to see my video clip will be here once I'm done recording it right now. But you're going to record on Flipgrid. And I'm going to open up the link right now so you can see it. You record a response. And this response is you reading to be fascinated. I want one video clip with 15 seconds of you reading a nonfiction text, fascinated, and then another 15 seconds of you not being fascinated, being dead. When you're reading nonfiction. If you want to go longer than 15 seconds, beautiful, go for it. But I really just want to make sure that I can see, if you want to like act a little bit and bring your story to life, go for it. It's up to you on how long you want to go. I think I gave a 5-minute maximum. But have a great day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Let me know if you have questions and come to office hours. Bye!